Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, in the past and the present, I've been told I talk way too much in a lot of my videos. So in hindsight is 2020 sort of way, I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. A couple reasons. YouTube is really not paying well right now, and so that'll kind of give me some content that I can put up instead of putting new videos up 3 times a week, because I just can't keep up that kind of content and do the kind of videos I want to do. Without further ado, let's get to it. Anyway, and then for her shelving unit part, it needed to be at least 5 inches, so I actually found a board that was 5 inches by I don't know how long, but you can use whatever you want as far as the shelving part. As long as you need thin, fairly thin shelves, this will hold up great. We've had it in our room for, I don't know, years, several years. Anyhow, so you get some 2x2, straight as you can, and I needed a certain length. You guys are going to obviously need your own length. Now I gotta go through do the long one there, but I don't figure you're gonna want to watch all that. And then I need to cut my 5-inch board down to the same length, just like I did the other board. I'm gonna actually put this here and drill holes all the way down the board so that I can screw into those, into this, and hopefully have a nice little sturdy shelf. There's the one I built for the video, and here's the other 2 right here in the middle. It's the knick-knack shelves. They're pretty simple, easy thing to do. It's just basically an L on a wall, but they're pretty strong, pretty sturdy. I'm not worried about them shaking so much that things come down or anything like that. In fact, we got a couple doors, so we'll keep an eye on them, make sure nothing rattles too far out of whack. But as you can see, you can put a lot of stuff on them, lots of knickknacks, and they look pretty alright. Yet again, my daughter's gonna have to take all this back down and paint it one of these days, because it's just raw wood right now. But I probably have a grand total of, I don't know, less than 20 bucks into all this stuff right here. I'm pretty positive. Probably quite a bit less than 20 bucks. And ended up getting, I had to buy a couple more 2x2s for these, and I actually made these shelves. Not sure exactly what they are. The top one is 5, so these are like maybe 6 or 8. Look like about 8 inches out, and they still hold perfectly fine. They're real sturdy. I don't know as I'd go a whole lot bigger than this, and I wouldn't put probably real heavy books or anything on it, but knickknacks works real well. So, well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.